What is happening, everybody? We are drawing a Varoom Pokemon tonight for our good friend Milo. So this is a shout out to you. And this is what the guy looks like. So that's what we're going to be going off of. And it's going to be a great quick drawing. So grab your sharpies or your pencils and draw along. Let's get into the creation station and check it out! Okay, we are drawing a Varoom Pokemon here today, and we are starting with a round shape, but we're going to make it look like a rock by making some straight lines in a rounded fashion. And we've wrapped that area with another round shape towards the left, which has some lines along the side of it to show it's three-dimensional. And now we're doing the middle, which has kind of like a skull ornament projecting from it. And on the bottom left of that, the outside of another rocky wheel shape. Now we're making what looks like the front of a car. And on the right side of the wheel we drew first is an eye. So that will be Varoom's eye. And he's sort of wearing like a mask that attaches to the hood. All right, then we're going to add kind of like a back area with a couple lines that I drew and another wheel on the back side. So it looked kind of like the opposite of what we drew first. Behind that is a tail with a couple polka dots and like a splash of paint on the back of it. And in case you're wondering, it's white and purple. And then on the top, we are drawing like a stack of curved forms which kind of represent like an engine part. So this Pokemon kind of looks like a rocky car / engine. And now we're filling in the details of the engine to create some contrast. And we're going to put his name, Varoom, V-A-R-R-O-O-M. Get a signature on there. And then I add a couple little bit of details. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe for more.